3, 2, 1. Duit YouTube. Comes the tattoo. I'm just back from the hike in, I think it's County Down. It's near Antrim anyway. We went up Slieve Donard. I left up in about 9:15, which is a little late, alright. We're about 15 minutes behind everyone else by the time we arrived, but we got up, we got fine. The group had already started walking, so I just followed the path up, and it hasn't stopped raining all day. I'm only now starting to feel dry. It's unbelievably wet. We went up, and initially, once we got up into like the higher end of the valley, you could see the clouds, and like I'd say most of our Slieve Donard is covered in cloud. So we said, alright, we'll go up, we'll try and get up anyway. Thankfully the route we took up is the same route I took the last time, so I knew where I was going. It's basically you follow the river from the car park up, cross the river, go up to the hill, hit the wall, and then follow the wall up. But shortly after, arms are killing me. Shortly after we left, we stopped for lunch at the wall, and shortly after, one of the lads said, look, I'm wet through, I'm a danger to myself and a liability to everyone else. So I said, look, I'll take you down, it's fine. He was the guy that gave me the lift up, so I said, look, I'll take you down, it's fine, I know where I'm going. Can't get lost, really. So that was that. I didn't get to summit Lugnaquilla, or I keep calling it Lugnaquilla. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's the highest mountain in Leinster. Anyway, Slieve Donard. Hi, Whiskers. So, but I'll do it again. When it's a nice day, I'll do it, because frankly it was far too wet and far too cloudy. The wind wasn't too bad, but it was starting to snow by the time we were leaving the walls, so it's just me, not really pushed. I was wet as well. I could feel my boots were wet, even though I've waterproofed them. I think it's just trudging through the rivers, the various rivers and streams that had formed into the valley because of all the rain, so it's just like, oh, to hell with this, I'll go down. So the other lads went up, and we were down about 45 minutes, 50 minutes, and then they followed down. So everyone got up and down, grand, no bother. I think people were cold and damp, but, you know, everyone was in good spirits, so that's nice. I got a smidgen of footage. I got maybe 2 clips. I'll put them at the end of this. It's just so you can get an idea of what it was like. And other than that, it's another mountain on my list to do again. So that's everything. I'll try and do something for tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see what happens. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like me to do, what you'd like to see, any topics you'd like me to cover, I don't mind answering questions or posing debates with people. If you give me a topic, I'll research it and give you my points of view. Anyway, Gurv Míle Agat and slán.
Catch the